What if I told you that you could turn any YouTube long-form video into multiple shorts using Picsart? Let me show you how you can do that with just a few clicks and always stay consistent with your content. Hi, I'm Mike, and now I'm going to use our Picsart Repurpose Pro to generate 10, 20, and even 100 short-form videos for my socials. Whether you're a content creator, a podcaster, a YouTuber, or even an educator, you'll find Repurpose Pro super handy for breaking down your content into 100 CTR optimized clips. You won't believe what I'll tell you next. You can even caption and dub your content into more than 30 languages while preserving your original voice. Isn't that awesome? So let's jump into Picsart's homepage. Click on AI Agents. And here, as you can see, we have over 15 specialized AI agents to help you fulfill your creative needs like deck creation, video direction, localization, brand identity, and so on. So today we are going to use Kai, who is our content strategist. Here is a detailed description about its capabilities, so make sure to check it out. Let's hire Kai. Now it will take over and ask you a few questions, including the type of the video you're uploading, which channels you want the clips optimized for, the type of clips, and how many clips you want to extract from your long video. Let's go ahead and give Kai some answers. The first question here, as you can see, it's what's the source video? I'm thinking of taking one of my recent YouTube tutorials, create shorts out of it, and even dub them into Spanish. So let's go to our YouTube channel and choose a video. By the way, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Okay, so I think I'll go with Sketch to 3D Design. This video is one of my favorites, by the way. Watch that one too. So I'll click YouTube video. Now Kai is asking where will it land? Instagram Reels, TikTok, and LinkedIn. For the next one, hook-heavy clips, trend-aligned moments, visual story highlights, platform-specific edits. All sound really good to me, so I'm going to go for a mix of everything. Let's go with maximum extraction. After your answers are ready, you can start chatting with Kai. You will be brought to a conversational interface where you will submit prompts and requests from Kai below. Their first message here details their capabilities. Kai will also give you instructions on what to do if everything looks too overwhelming. Now, all we need to do is provide the video, specify language localizations, and provide a style guideline for captions if needed. I'll go ahead and upload the video from my device. Let's take a look at the video for a moment in case you've missed it. Did you know you can turn a rough and messy sketch into a masterpiece in just a few minutes? You can take a hand-drawn product sketch and turn it into a final design with Picsart Flow. Now let's ask Kai to localize our clip into Spanish. I'll simply type in Spanish only localization. If you have a brand kit from Picsart or you have used our AI agent brand builder, Repurpose Pro will automatically pull from those files in your Picsart drive and use them as a style guide for things like captions. Otherwise, the agent will set a clean looking default. So let's keep it simple and just go with default design. Once your prompts are ready, go ahead and hit submit and let Kai do some back-end magic. And in moments, Kai came back with a comprehensive list and estimated credit cost. And down here is a step-by-step shot list of all the clips that Kai will create. Everything looks good to me. Make sure to check and see if everything matches your expectations. And if everything is fine, just simply go and type in go. Kai came back to me with an official proposal and exact credit cost. I'm very happy with it. I'll approve and start. And now Kai will start building you clips. It's done. My 12 shorts are ready in less than 5 minutes. Let's go into our Picsart drive and take a look. As you can see, we have our English and Spanish clips in the folder along with some thumbnails for each. Let's watch some of them. Did you know you can turn a rough and messy sketch into a masterpiece in just a few minutes? You can take a hand-drawn product sketch and turn it into a final design with Picsart Flow. As a reminder, Picsart Flow is node-based AI workflow tool that lets you ideate, iterate, and automate designs on a single visual canvas. I love it. Now let's check the Spanish version.
¿Sabías que puedes convertir un boceto desordenado en una obra maestra en solo unos minutos? Puedes tomar un boceto de producto hecho a mano y convertirlo en un diseño final con Picsart Flow. Como recordatorio, Picsart Flow es una herramienta de flujo de trabajo de inteligencia artificial basada.
Now let's check out the next one. And all done in just a few minutes and by the help of Picsart Flow. By the way, my favorite of the three is the third one. Comment down below which one is your favorite. Now the Spanish one.
Marca todo hecho en solo unos minutos y con la ayuda de Picsart Flow. Por cierto, mi favorito de los tres es el tercero. O comenta aquí abajo cuál es tu favorito.
They turned out pretty good. It automatically generated the upper and the lower parts of the video too. It's so cool. The captions, as I mentioned before, were as default, but you can adjust them to your liking. And all of this is done with a few requests from Repurpose Pro. You see, it's very simple now. You can take YouTube's long-form video and turn it into multiple shorts and stay consistent. Thanks for watching. My name is Haik. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you around.